This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're assembling the Love Notes box card. And that is very close. I'm just noticing just how close my patterns are. That probably wasn't a very good choice, but so this is one of my older designs that I did not have a video for. So I'm doing it now. So it's designed a little bit different. Instead of having one of the side tabs on the front and the back, they're both on the back. So you're going to identify your front piece by it being the piece that does not have anything in for the insert, okay? And we're just going to go ahead and put these two together. Just line that right up to the score line. And then I wonder if I should switch this around. I'm going to just look at this real fast, see if I would like it all blue, because the pattern is a little bit busy. Maybe I could just do that blue. Okay. All right. So I'm going to switch the notepad. I hope it lines up correctly, because the words on it were just too close to everything going on in that part. So I'm going to change that a little bit. And you just want to center those in there. I liked this paper because it has like postmark stamps on it. So. And then you're just going to center that one. And then it lines up edge to edge, okay? Just edge to edge. I'm going to stand it up so I can push that down. There we are. Okay. Now, I do have this piece here for the sentiment on the back. Okay, now we can set this aside for a minute and work on the inserts. Oh, good. This does fit both ways, so I'm glad for that. I thought this paper was cool because it had writing on it, but for me it's just too busy with the pattern paper on the front. But this way, if I wanted to add a little note or a stamp, I could do that with that. Okay, so this is the front insert. And now we have this one here with all these little pieces. Now you will want to take time and kind of line up your hearts. And I think I want to put my bigger ones in the front because I think I want to add some foam tape to them. Try to get some of this glue off my tip. Hang on. So normally I would have put these little ones to the front, but I don't want to be cutting my foam tape all teeny tiny. But these big hearts I can definitely put some foam tape on. So I'm going to have those to the front. And just want to add a little more dimension to these. I think the two hearts here and here, I'm going to use one foam tape. And then on this one, I think I'm going to use two. There we go. There. And then we want to fold the tabs. So now we're going to pull our card in. And I don't think I got all my hearts lined up in the right spot, but that's okay. I'm going to put glue on the tab, and with my tabs out flat, I'm going to slide that in there. I always just like to open it up and fold it down again. So now again, tabs out flat. Whoops. And lay this down right in front of that one. And now we're going to put our glue here on these two tabs. Actually, we can go ahead and fold the front over and add glue to this one as well. And we're just going to fold this right over, grab all of our tabs. Now I do, because I have the foam tape in there, I'm having to kind of train the paper around the foam tape. And there it is. There is the Love Notes box card. Let me get this a little tighter right there. There we go. Okay, thank you for joining me.